Don't be sour because someone did you wrong. Hello friends, this is Yunda. This is just a reminder to each and every one of us. Don't be sour because someone did you wrong. You have to understand that in this life journey, we cannot please other people. There are people who are against us, and you don't need to be sour because of their character, because they did you wrong. You have to quick to understand that it is not your battle to fight. It is God's battle to fight, not yours. Don't worry when people are sour because you don't fit in their situation. You have to understand that in this life journey, we cannot please everybody. It is very difficult even on the old days. During the time of Jesus, there are people who cannot fully understand what others suffering. You have to understand that in this life journey, God is with us all, always. You have to understand that we all granted favor from heaven above. You have to understand that we have to trust God while waiting for the things to change. You have to let go of fear and pray bold prayers. Trusting God with all your heart is a must, knowing and understanding that He will fight your battles. You don't need to be sour because others did you wrong. You have to understand that in the day of trouble, God is with you. You have to understand that you have a granted favor from God. You have to understand that no matter what you are struggling right now, you cannot just be sour because of what other people did to you. You have to understand that that is their own business. Don't mind them. Live your own life. You are not bound to them. You don't need to please them. You have to understand that in this life journey, we have the power, the strength to be more patient and understanding to live our best life, knowing and understanding that God will fight your battle. What you are struggling right now is nothing compared to what have God suffered before. You have to understand that in this day, you are provided with the power, with the strength from God, and He will fight your battle because that is already promised in God. You have to understand that in this life journey, only God and God alone can love you unconditionally and can help you to live a better life. You are not going to be sour because of what others did wrong to you. Trust it in the Lord. Pray bold prayers. Understand that He will guide you and lead you to do the right thing. Don't use your strength to be sour because of the people who did wrong to you. Just simply believe and declare that God loves you and all things are going to work together for good. When you love God, He will fight your battle. So stay at ease. Be humble. Love them from a distance. Do not be sour to them because they did wrong to you. Keep quiet. Practice patience and humbleness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. For only God and God alone can fight your battles. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. This is Yundel. I love you all and bye-bye.